Hello, my name is Tina with legitcpn.com, and in this video I'm going to tell you more about credit profile numbers, also known as secondary credit numbers. A CPN is a 9-digit identification number that looks like a social security number or SSN, and may be used in lieu of an SSN for such purposes as obtaining credit and home rentals. Keep in mind everybody has the legal right to keep his or her SSN private. Using the real SSN is necessary only in certain circumstances where consumers are required by law to disclose their SSN, such as to the Internal Revenue Service, employers, buying a firearm, or applying for a federally insured loan. In other circumstances, federal law allows consumers to legally use a separate identification number. That gives the consumer the opportunity to establish a new credit profile under your CPN. CPNs are commonly used by celebrities, members of Congress, and witnesses protected by the federal government to help protect their privacy and security. The FBI defines CPNs and SCNs as 9-digit numbers that follow the same algorithm as Social Security numbers. Currently, federal law allows individuals to legally use legal CPNs and SCNs for financial reporting and protects those individuals who do not wish to disclose their Social Security number. Individuals who purchase a CPN are completely responsible for any debt that they incur using this number. Although feelings are mixed concerning CPN numbers, based on governmental statements posted directly on their websites, legit CPNs are not only legal but commonly used to help individuals protect their privacy and security. CPNs can be used for many types of credit transactions. However, the CPN number should not be viewed as an equitable substitute for the Social Security number, and it's recommended to fix your own credit while using a CPN. One truth about CPN number usage is that there are many citizens of the United States that routinely use this type of identification number. Celebrities often use a CPN as a means of protecting their privacy and to obtain credit cards, loans, and other financial transactions or home rentals. Members of Congress are also likely to use a legit CPN number in order to minimize the chances of their private details about their finances being released to the general public without their authorization. Also, people placed within a witness protection program are often issued a legit CPN or SCN number, as it's much harder to track than a Social Security number. My research is heavily influenced from FBI and Freddie Mac. And Freddie Mac official statements suggest legit CPNs and SCNs are in fact legal. They're legal to own, they are legal to use, and currently the fastest and safest method of credit repair. To avoid any potential problems, be sure to never lose sight on any debt you incur and know that you're responsible for whatever loans or financing you obtain using your legit CPN number. To purchase a CPN, it's highly recommended to go to legitcpn.com, which is the most secure source to obtain your 100% legitimate CPN number and seasoned tradeline service for your CPN numbers. All of our CPN numbers are safe scanned, and you can be sure you are purchasing a legit CPN to build your future. I hope this video helped you, and good luck with your legit CPNs and secondary credit profile numbers. The first interaction type will be matching. On the left side, you have space for 4 different types of choices that your learner will match with 4 different types of answers. Don't forget to scramble your answers on the right so that your learners have to think about which choices match. Here is a Pick One template with an area to add an image, a description, and a choice between 2 answers. This could be a good template to use if you've just taught your learners to recognize a new concept and want to test their knowledge in a low-stakes way. Give them a chance to practice identifying that concept by selecting the correct choice. Let's talk surveys for a moment. They're a great way to gauge how your learners are reacting to the content. Write your survey questions on each of the lines provided. Next, export this template into Storyline so that you can animate each of the radio buttons to allow your learners to select their response. Sometimes, you need to present information to your learners, but you don't want to overwhelm them. This would be the perfect time to use cards to give them a little information at a time. Write 1 or 2 keywords on one side of the card. Then, in Storyline, write out the full description of the card on the back, allowing your learner to reveal the information on click. Finally, we have scenarios. Scenarios are a great way to allow your user to make a choice based on the information provided to them. Have the avatar acting as a character in your narrative and use the choice buttons to allow your learner to test their knowledge. Keep an eye out for other storyline templates that will release so that you can speed up your course building process. That's all for this one.